launched a sharp attack on leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. KTR accused the Congress of hypocrisy, saying Rahul's dramatic claim that India's election system is dead rings hollow when under his own party's watch, 10 BRS MLAs were allegedly poached in Telangana. KTR pointed out that while Congress claims to champion a tough anti-defection law, the party itself poached 10 BRS MLAs in Telangana. Despite a rap from the Supreme Court, the Congress government under CM Revanth Reddy has taken no action. KTR also challenged Rahul Gandhi to make those MLAs resign and face the electorate again, asking him to practice what he preaches. The Congress has responded. In a sharp rebuttal, Congress MP Kiran Reddy called his remarks on constitution and MLA poaching nothing short of a laughingstock. He accused BRS of hypocrisy, saying that for 10 years the BRS government actively suppressed the opposition and dismantled democratic functioning in Telangana Assembly. Listen in.
Especially KTR talking about poaching MLAs and constitution, it's a laughing stock. Because in the last 10 years government, BRS party never want any opposition to exist. They derailed the assembly functioning. Now they are doing allegation on the Congress party, which is having an healthy assembly with a proper opposition party leaders existing in the house to discuss on various issues. So talking about constitution and telling to the people of this country that something is going wrong in Telangana has become a habit to Mr. KTR. So first of all, they have to correct their own party, which was in power in the past, and at least they have to learn why people have thrown them out of power.
BJP leader Konda Vishweshwar Reddy also weighed in, calling both BRS and Congress guilty of the same political playbook. He said, while the Congress did poach BRS MLAs and the BRS did exactly the same when in power, and even appointing them as ministers without facing elections.
What BRS is saying is absolutely right. They poached MLAs and the speaker is delaying disqualifying them. Because if disqualified, they have to face another election. But having said that, I will fail my duty if I also don't point out BRS did exactly the same thing. And more than 10 MLAs of Congress they poached. And while the poached MLAs have not contested elections, while on Congress, they were appointed as serving ministers in BRS cabinet. So both of them are same. One is accusing the other. It's the same DNA. It's a family-run parties. Both of them are family-run parties. They want numbers. Their vision is only next election. They don't have a vision or a goal for the country or the state.
And with that, we're slipping into a very short break. There's a lot more.